everyone, my name is Lauren and welcome to a brand new unboxing. I may or may not have treated myself recently because I might be going traveling, and I was thinking, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna buy the new GoPro because they had this amazing deal for the new GoPro, which is the Hero 11 Black with tons of accessories. And I was like, you know what? Take my money. So today we're gonna unbox the GoPro Hero 11 Black Edition. Let's dive right in. It comes in this beautiful protective hard case, which is great. I love it. This will be super useful for traveling just because, literally, I'm just gonna show you, right? Before I'm putting you down and showing you on my desk, how all the accessories just fit into this. Look, there's so much in here. Head straps, the little stick that you can hold by hand. I don't want to say selfie stick because it sounds a bit cringy. Without further ado, I'm going to take you into the unboxing right now. Also, before we do anything else, I just want to show you the box, which is stunning. First of all, it came with a 32GB SD card. So it just comes with a card to tell you to download the app and update the camera before you use it, which I'll do straight away. And then this is everything it comes with. So first of all, we have the stick that you mount it onto. You can hold this, for example, while you're skiing, or doing things, walking around, anything. Very useful. It's got the mount at the top. And this is a very soft, nice material. I feel like this is gonna sound weird, but this would absorb sweat really well. And it's got a little strap to put around your wrist. Next up, we have the head strap. So you mount it into this, you slide it into this, and then just clasp it onto your head. It's adjustable, obviously, as you can see. It feels like very nice material. You can see the inside, it's got rubber on the inside, so I'm guessing this is anti-slip, which is very, very nice. Feels very sturdy, well made. The mount for the GoPro with a clip. This is so you can mount it onto any surface, I assume, because it's got a nice sticker. For example, you can put it on a car or something. You can just peel this off and stick it on. Then in these little boxes, we have batteries. The deal also came with 2 batteries. Then there's also a box here at the back. There's also a USB cable to connect your GoPro to your computer or any other devices. I'm not entirely sure what these are called exactly, but I'm assuming they are just to like screw things in and make sure they're secure. Like you'd probably, I assume, put that in one of these. At the back, there's also this guide with how to mount it, how to use it, tips, and obviously a user guide. And then last but not least, the GoPro. Here it is in all its glory. Let's peel these stickers off. And there it is, GoPro Hero 11 Black Edition. It does say on the back as well that the camera has to be updated before you use it. This is something we're definitely gonna have to do first. 100% hats off for this case. I think it's super practical, super useful, and I'm gonna take this case traveling because it's definitely gonna protect everything, and it feels so compact rather than just having all these random materials stuffed into a backpack. Yay! So this GoPro is also compatible with this app. This one's called the GoPro Quick Video Editor. Oh god, it has to update. So in this app, you should be able to edit your footage and everything. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Make sure that if you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. If you want to see me unbox some more stuff, please feel free to leave a comment to tell me to do so. Nicely, please. Ask it nicely. Because I would freaking love to. Have a lovely day guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye!